Welcome back to my channel. Say hi, Kyle. Say hi. Okay, now so I'm sorry, Kyle is hijacking this video. He's just woken up and I was trying to record an intro. So yeah. So okay, Kyle, can you sit down? Sit down, please. Okay, so this intro is going to be very, very short because I can see this boy is a little restless. Yeah. So in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how I do this simple makeup look. I really like it. It's just my basic makeup look for when I'm going to work or when I just want to look prim and proper. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you're new here, welcome to the family. I like to call you people friends. So hi, friends. For the first step, I'm going to use a legal primer all over my face. Yeah, and I absolutely love this primer. By the way, guys, comment down below and tell me which makeup product you can't leave the house without. I'd definitely love to hear your thoughts, and let's interact in the comments down below. And I've already finished my primer, so let's move on to the next step. Step is grooming my brows, and brows really are just luck. Sometimes they cooperate and sometimes they absolutely don't, and they end up looking like cousins instead of sisters. So yeah, I'm just grooming my brows, brushing them upwards and outwards. A step that I don't usually do, and which is just filling in the blank spaces in my eyebrows. Just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show you how maybe I would do it, but generally I just don't touch my brows. I work on the rest of my face. So here I'm just filling in the spaces in my brows and just trying to see how they look. As you can see, the right one looks well nicer compared to the left one. I told you guys step would be putting on my base, which I use illegal pro concealer in espresso. I just put it all over my face, and I use espresso mainly because the outer part of my face is a little bit darker than the center part of my face, and for my normal day-to-day looks, I don't like to highlight or contour or do the shebang bang. So I kind of just use one concealer and I blend it all over my face, and it makes me look a little bit tan, which I love. I know. Yeah, and that's what my base just entails. Guys, if you like these earrings, you can DM me on Instagram and I'd be happy to sell you one of the pairs, which goes for 300 bob. Shamelessly promoting myself in my own video. Wow. Wow. Hi. Kyle is here and you're recording this voiceover, so enjoy, guys. Okay, yeah. Blend using my beauty blender. I've been putting on your foundation is just blending. Blending is key. The more you blend, the flawless it looks. So blend away. The drill, blend. I usually like to do is to take the Illegal Pro setting spray and I spray it all over my face, and this helps to just set the concealer that I've applied. It prevents transfer, and I continue blending just to make sure that everything looks nice. Yeah, we can move on to the next step. Usually like to do is just set my concealer, my face with setting powder, which basically just makes my face look matte, and then I'll usually go back in with the setting spray and spray it all over again, and then just press and blend. Contouring, I like to go in with blush, and I use 2 different colors, which gives me a very subtle hue, and I use my BH Cosmetics number 114 brush. I really love these brushes and I've had them for 3 years, I think even more. I bought them off of Junior and they really served me well. and Kyle likes to play with my brushes, but can you imagine they're still in good condition? Imagine that. So next step, I'm just going in again with my setting spray to kind of lock everything in that I've done on my face, and which helps to prevent transfer, which is a good step to do. So next, of course, is mascara, and I like to just use 2 layers of mascara, which makes my eyelashes pop. Baby, kindly comment down below and tell me what kind of videos you'd like to see on my channel, and I'd be sure to look at them and take your suggestions into consideration. So thank you. Favorite part of the video, applying lipstick. Yeah, you can tell I'm excited. I love lipstick. On those days that I'm not doing my face, my eyebrows, and anything else, just like to slap on lipstick and I'm good to go. And people always stop me to ask me like, how long did it take for you to do your makeup? And I'm like, literally 2 minutes, because lipstick just makes you look like, girl, you tried in the morning, but really you really didn't do anything. So yeah, I love lipstick. So here I'm just applying my regular schmegular lipstick, and we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell all your friends about it.